Sole proprietorships are not a great way of structuring a small business for a variety of reasons. First of all, a sole proprietor is going to be 100% personally liable for all debts and obligations of the business. Not a great thing if you can help it. Second, if you plan on raising capital from investors or adding a business partner, sole proprietorship isn't going to work for you. Business succession planning is also a problem. So if you're thinking about starting a new business, explore some of the advantages of doing business through a separate legal entity like a corporation or an LLC. Every Virginia LLC or corporation is required to have a registered agent. It's largely a ministerial function, but it's an important one that shouldn't be overlooked. Now, why would a business owner want to have an attorney serve as registered agent for their company? For a variety of reasons. First, business owners maybe would rather focus their time on growing their business, not worrying about corporate maintenance issues. Second, for privacy reasons, a business owner may be a little reluctant at having his name and address as a matter of public record. Registered agents are typically the ones who get served process in the event the company gets sued. So some business owners are a little skittish about the prospect of having the local sheriff show up at their place of business or home serving papers. Third, some business owners are concerned about the risk of missing a filing deadline or losing a piece of correspondence from the state and having the existence of their entity terminated by the SEC. So from a business owner's perspective, what we're talking about is greater peace of mind, reducing risk, and demonstrating a greater commitment to business entity compliance. No, it's not legally required, but it's foolish not to have one. Even in the context of a single member LLC, where you have only one owner, a written operating agreement is a good idea, at the very least, to demonstrate that you are respecting the separate legal existence of the LLC, which can be an important issue in the context of an IRS audit or litigation. And if you have business partners, then forget about it. It's critical to have a written operating agreement spelling out the parties' agreement on a litany of issues from legal to tax, management, operations, voting, succession planning, you name it. It can and will come up during the course of a business relationship, and it will behoove you to have addressed those issues in writing. A Virginia Benefit Corporation is a new type of business entity formed for the dual purposes of making money while serving a socially beneficial purpose. These are not tax-exempt organizations, so they're not eligible for 501c3 status, but they are an important part of a growing trend in the movement of social entrepreneurship, of which Virginia is among the nation's leaders.